Right, hello people, it's Steve, the Urban Cook. What I'm going to do today is basically spinach pie, or Spanakopita, I think that's how you say it. Not a Greeky thing, but it's my sort of like take on it. So what we've got is some phyllo pastry, some spinach, some eggs. We've got parsley, got dill, olive oil, spring onions, garlic, feta cheese and Parmesan cheese. So we're going to obviously make this in a tray and we'll get on with it. So we'll crack on. See you in a minute. Right. We're back. What I'm going to do is put the feta in. And with the feta I'll rinse this off just to get the saltiness out of it. So we've got our spinach, which this is frozen spinach. It's just as good. But what I've done is obviously strained it and got a lot of the water out of it. Parmesan cheese, spring onions, garlic, parsley, dill, black pepper, and 4 eggs. We'll give that a little mix up. Just break down any big lumps of feta. And that will do. We'll come back in a minute. Right, we're back. So we've got a tin for the start layering up the old phyllo. So what I'm going to do is put a bit of olive oil in here, coat the inside of the tin on the sides, like that. Then what we're going to do, we're going to get our phyllo, one sheet, just put that down in there. Get another sheet, put that down in there, and another sheet in there like that. Another, so basically you've got like 4 layers in the bottom. So what we can do now is get our mixture, spread this about. Like that. What we're going to do is fold these parts in, and that one, and that one, that one, some more olive oil, another couple of sheets, folding that down, some more olive oil, another couple of sheets. I'll tuck these ones down. Need some more olive oil. And the last few sheets. What we're going to do, just get a sharp knife, just cut the top section. Like that, and what we do, just get a little bit of water and just splash a little bit over the top. So we'll stick that in the oven at about, I don't know, 180, 200 for about half hour, 45 minutes until it's nice and golden. We'll see you in a minute. Right, just have a quick looky now. Oh yeah, that's looking nice. A couple more minutes and then we'll pull this out. See you in a minute. Right, we're back. It's been about, I don't know, 45 minutes. Just going to pull this out. Oh, you beauty. Awesome. Look at that. Let's bring you in for a closer look. Tidy. This is like really hot, obviously. So what we're going to do, we're going to let this cool down, and then we'll have a little carve up, have a little plate up, and a taster. I know it's going to be tasty because I've had this before. So see you in a while. Cheers. Right, we're back. Just cooled down a little bit now. So what we're going to do, because I've made some little cuts beforehand, I'm just going to cut through it now, all the way through. Nice and crunchy. And we'll get a bit of this out and get it on the plate. Well, there you have it. It smells absolutely gorgeous. Spanakopita, me style. So this is going to be really tasty. But obviously I know because I've already tasted it. So please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. See you later guys, take it easy, bye bye.